What are the best engines for a Sea Ray Sundancer 310? Two diesel Yanmar engines, 315 horsepower each, or two Mercruiser engines, 350 horsepower each. You've probably delivered a lot of those. What are your thoughts on those two engine combinations?
Uh, I mean, I've delivered some of the diesel Yanmars, and they run really good. It's just your preference, you know. I mean, whether you've got access to, you know, if diesel's going to be more convenient for you, I think diesel's probably a little more expensive. I mean, you're on the sales part of it, rather than
to buy one.
yeah, rather than gas stern drive. You know, there's not that much difference in horsepower. You know, either way, if you're a diesel Yanmar fan, you know, go that route or stick with the Mercruiser. It's just personal preference, really.